Waiting for a funding decision may take up to 3 months. Use this time to keep your group engaged. Learn about your partner country by designing your own version of a travel guide. Use different sources and perspectives. You can also keep in touch with your partner group and ask them questions. With your group, make a dish from your partner country. Find different recipes and vote for what you want to prepare. Shop for products and cook together. Send recipes from your own country to your partner group and suggest they organize their own tasting trip. Do online research on the Youth Pass certificate. Imagine what you can learn during your project. Exchange personal goals you want to achieve. Talk about what you have learned so far. Keep learning diaries where you can write down your experiences during the exchange.